Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Dubashi. Today we are going to see what is JDBC and what are the different types of JDBC drivers are there. So JDBC, it stands for Java Database Connectivity. JDBC is a API that helps application to communicate with databases. It allows Java programs to connect to a database, run queries like select data, retrieve the data, update the data, delete the data. Because of JDBC, Java application can easily work with different relational database like MySQL, Oracle, like that. So there are four types of JDBC drivers, and the first driver is type 1 driver that called as a JDBC ODBC bridge driver. The type 1 driver works as shown in a given architecture. The first is the Java applications uses JDBC APIs to send SQL commands. The JDBC ODBC bridge translate JDBC calls to ODBC calls. The ODBC means Open Database Connectivity, and the ODBC drivers handles communication with actual database and then require the ODBC drivers installed and configured on your system. Means to use this type 1 driver, the ODBC driver is installed and configured on this system, and the driver software is built in with a JDK, so no need to install separately. Let's see the use cases of the JDBC ODBC driver. It is a driver already exists but not used in a modern application due to deprecated support in Java 8 plus versions. That's why it is not portable driver for a Java. It is only used for a testing purpose in a Java. So the next one driver is type 2 driver that called as a native API driver. The work of a type 2 driver is the driver uses Java code to call native codes like C or C++ in the database own API. The native library is specific to the database. For example, Oracle call interface for a Oracle database. It offers better performance than type 1 but still requires native library installation in a Java. So the type 2 driver basically used in internal enterprises applications where performance is important and platform is fixed. For example of this, Oracle's OCI driver. Then our next driver is type 3 driver that called as a network protocol driver. The shown architecture explains that JDBC calls are sent to a middleware server, and the middleware then translate request into a database specific calls and communicate with actual database. So the driver is a fully Java based and platform independent. It is basically used for example web application needing access to multiple databases and companies using a centralized database Java JDBC servers to route all requests. Means the type 3 driver is fully Java driver and is mostly used when an application wants have to connect multiple databases to one application. The type 3 driver is mostly used. Then the last one driver is type 4 driver. This is called as a thin driver. So the architecture shows that in this driver direct communication with database is done using its native protocols like SQL Server, Oracle Net, for etc. and here is no intermediate layer like middleware or a ODBC driver like that. It leads to high performance, and driver is database specific but fully in Java, and it is portable for a Java. But the type 4 driver, it is used when one database connection is required to the application. Because means by using type 4 driver we cannot connect multiple databases to one application like type 3 driver. And the type 4 driver is mostly used modern applications, and for it you. So this is all about JDBC and its 4 types of drivers. Thank you.